How to fix fortnite game, all problems solved in this video. So first problem, login problem and other problems solved in this video. So first open the phone setting and scroll now, tap apps option and tap manage apps option. Search your Google Chrome. Search now Google and tap Google option and search Chrome. Search now Chrome and tap Chrome and clear data option tap and clear cache option tap and OK option tap. Go to back, open the Play Store and search now Google. Update your Google app and update your Google Chrome application. So and update now and go to back, open the Google Chrome application and search now for night game and refresh your laptop computer phone. Refresh now and open the fortnite game and enjoy now. Solve your all problem, Hannah.